Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another function of Python, which is atan. Atan function is mainly used to calculate the arc of tangent, or you can see it is the inverse of tangent function or tan function. So whenever you want to calculate the arc of tangent, in that case you can utilize this function. But before that, you need to import the module. Now how we will import the module? So to import the module, you just need to write import math, and in this math module every function will be there like a tan. Okay, so on line number 6 we imported the module, then we are using the function. So to use this function you have to follow the simple syntax. Just write math.atan1. So what it will do, it will calculate the arc tangent for the radian 1, which would come like this. The output would be like this. So let's verify the same. Let me up this. Yeah, so here I will write python space session 76.py. So if I hit enter, you can see the first output is coming like 0.7853981. All right. Now the question could be, there could be one question: can we pass negative value as an radian? Yes, we can pass. In second scenario, we are passing the negative value itself. So if you try to calculate the -1 arc tangent for the -1 radian, then the output would be like this, minus 0.758 something. Similarly, if you try to pass the value as 0, then in that case, if you calculate the arc tangent of 0, then the output would be 0.0 itself. Okay, now focus on the fourth scenario. On fourth scenario, we are passing the value as 100. So when we calculate the uh, arc of tangent for 100, the output would be like this, 1.56079660 and something. Okay, now next thing is, can we pass decimal value? Yes, we can pass decimal values. Here you can see that I am passing the value as 0.01, which is the decimal value. So when you calculate the decimal arc of tangent for the decimal value, the output would be like this, 0.00, according to your value. Like whatever the value you are providing, accordingly it will calculate the arc of tangent. In sixth scenario, we are passing the value as 2.5. So the output would like this, 1.190289994. Now look at the seventh scenario. In seventh scenario, we are passing the value 2.5 but with a variable. So what I did here, I just added one variable which is var1, and then I'm passing this var1 to the atan function as an parameter. So it calculates the same result, because both the values are same, 2.5 and 2.5. But the only difference between scenario 6 and scenario 7 is that we are passing the value for the sixth scenario, we are passing the value directly, but for the seventh scenario we are passing the value inside a variable. So these are the all possible input and output parameters for the atan function. So now you can customize it as per your requirement, and you can use this atan function in order to calculate the arc of tangent. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.